Start by laying the seat flat with one side facing up. Feed 3 2-inch screws into the pilot holes. Repeat on the other side. Feed one 2-inch screw into the front of the arm and repeat on the other side. Attach the back panel to the arms using two 3-inch screws. Feed two 2-inch screws into the bottom of the backrest. Attach the short brace to the rear leg using two 1.5-inch screws. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts when the chair is completely assembled. Shine's collection of plastic Adirondack offers a wide variety of vibrant colors to choose from to enhance your outdoor space. Contact us for more information at customerservice@shineco.com.